Welcome to another video. Let's solve these interesting exponential equations. Given that uh, we want to solve for the value of x in x raised to power x raised to power 8 equals to 8. And let's see how the trick of solving this. So suppose I introduce logarithm of base 8 to both sides. So we have this equals to log of base 8, then we have 8. So we know that this becomes 1 as log of the same base equals to 1. So while for this, if I take the power of this thing, so if I take it down, so we have s raised to power 8. So we have log of base 8x equals to 1. And the next thing to do is if I divide by s raised to power of 8, so we have this divided by s raised to power 8, and these two cancel each other. Then for this 1 over s raised to power 8, it becomes s raised to power of minus 8 equals to log x base 8. And so looking at this, we know, so from the law of logarithm, so the right hand side can becomes log x divided by log 8. And on getting to this, I'm going to cross multiply, and here we have s raised to power minus 8 log 8. Everything equals to log x. So by getting to this stage, so the next thing we are going to do here is, we know, this s raised to power of minus 8, so we can still have it as 1 divided by s raised to power 8, then we multiply it with log x, so which means we have log 8 equals to s raised to power 8 log x. So, and on getting to this stage, so if I start this, and the next thing we are going to do here is, if I try to assume that if x here equals to 2 raised to power of 3y, and so I'll just try to replace s with 2 raised to power of 3y in the start equation above, which is 2 raised to power of 3y all raised to power of 8 log 2 raised to power of 3y. And then so we have this as 2 raised to power 3y. If I apply these rules as a raised to power b, y equals to a raised to power of b all raised to power of y, then we have log of 8 equals to 2 raised to power of 3y all raised to power 8 log, and here is 2 raised to power 3, and I bracket this, then raised to the power of y. So the next thing is, this y can come down according to the rules. So we have log 8 equals to 2 raised to power 3y and raised to power of 8 y, then log 2 raised to power of 3. So, and looking at this, here is log 8 and 2 raised to power 3 is still 8. So log 8 can cancel log 8, and here we have 1 equals to 2 raised to power of or I say y bracket 2 raised to power 3y all raised to power of 8. So, and what else are we going to do with this? So it's just very simple, and so I'm just going to make a quick assumption that the value of y here is just like 1 divided by 8. And why is it like that? I want to check if the left hand side will be equals to the right hand side, as in y equals to 1. And since we have y is 1 over 8, then we have 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power 1 over 8, or raised to the power of this, and this is 3. So 8 cancel 8. Then we have 1 equals to, so 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, and they divided by 8, that is 1. So which means that my assumption is right, as y equals to 1 divided by 8. So indeed, x now is 2 raised to the power of 3y, which is 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplying 1 over 8, and which is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 8 as the solutions. Indeed, this method is not a waste, so we just like we think differently and we'll see questions differently. And so let's see the easiest method of solving this. So given that we have this question, so just try to raise both sides by 8. So then we know this left hand side can also change to s raised to the power of 8, and all raised to the power of s raised to the power 8 equals to 8 raised to the power 8. We can now compare that. So we have s raised to the power of 8 equals to 8, and we take the 8th root of both sides. So that is s equals to 8 raised to the power of 1 divided by 8. So which is the answer? And it's still equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 8. And this is how we got the same answer as the first method. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.